I picked up GCT Giga Cloud yesterday here as it broke above this high. I probably could have got it a little bit earlier, but that's okay. But one of the main reasons that I bought this one as I was going through my bull combo scan was because of this insane earnings growth here. And it has some revenue growth, decent revenue growth to back it up. I didn't look at the news, and I'm looking at the news here this morning. And if you look at it, let's bring this into view. They hit 59 cents a share, up from 1 penny earlier, and they were expected 36 cents. Revenue, I mean, they just absolutely crushed it. Right, so there's a serious catalyst for this to go up now. It's a 500, almost $600 million market cap, so some like a micro cap. The float's 41 million. Yeah, you'd like to see a float a little bit shorter than that. I think, was it DCT? What's the other one that had a big move? I'm drawing a blank on that one now. But anyway, I mean, I'm up 8% on this move, 8.5% if this holds. And then you're looking for it to take out this level here. You know, we had a pullback, this cup. What is that? About $11. So if you want to say 11, so you could say 29.50 potentially as a target. I mean, you could also throw some fibs on here, use that as a target for the upside. You know, this 1618. But yeah, I mean, you've got nice cup pattern, handle shakeout. Not even a shake, pulls back on. Yeah, I guess you shook some people out of this thing here, and then it's tight, boom. So that's exactly what I look for in a setup. Let's look at the weekly, and you just had this cup pattern here. So a lot of these have been working. Where, you know, once they get to the highs, they keep going. That's the type of market we're in. There's no guarantee that this one will. But yeah, everyone that got shook out of this thing is now wishing that they were in it. So we'll see. I don't know what the short interest is on this thing. I might have to look at that. But I don't know that it really matters. You're just looking at all this volume here. So they had a huge earnings beat. You got massive buying. Dollar volume, 30 million. And usually trades a dollar volume of 100,000. So it's quite ridiculous. 2.5 million shares. Here yesterday you had 2 million shares, $31 million volume. This sell-off here, so you'd want to see it break above 3.4 million. Really, ideally, you'd want to see it break above here with at least 3 million, if not more, in volume. So I'll sell in the strength, and then I'll trail with a runner. So generally, I'll sell about 70% or so into strength, and then I can trail the rest with the run. I'm going to move out the stop and trail the rest with a runner.